air conditioning that will cause zero effect to the environment. Introducing EcoAC. EcoAC is a mini, eco-friendly AC unit, which is making your personal area much more comfortable. It precisely decreases and increases the air temperature by the Peltier effect without using global warming potential, GWP refrigerants, or bulky noise compressors. It also has clear advantages, which doesn't require constant clean water refills. Using EcoAC could be never easier. Just fill up the tank with water, then connect cable to a power outlet. And boom, you get the full cooling, heating effect immediately. You can adjust the temperature level precisely by 1 degree using the switch. Just click once and rotate clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease the temperature. The switch also enables you to adjust the built-in fan speed. Click it twice and rotate clockwise to turn up and counterclockwise to lower the fan speed. Better than evaporative coolers, which could take 10 minutes to get the full cooling effect and have poor cooling effect in sultry days, EcoAC works immediately and effectively, even in high humidity environment. With improved aerodynamics and the lack of a compressor, EcoAC creates an equally pleasing experience to your hearing. EcoAC also functions as a Bluetooth speaker that can connect to your mobile devices and play your favorite tunes while air conditioning.
Whether you are recovering from leg day or stuck on a long flight, aching legs suck. Let's talk about how this happens. When we work out, small microscopic tears occur in the muscle tissue and lactic acid builds up. But for your muscles to repair and recover quickly, we need to flush out the lactic acid and usher in clean, fresh, nutrient-filled blood. Working out on poorly recovered muscles leads to poor performance as well as injury. Also, if you spend a ton of time sitting or standing, fluid starts pooling in your lower extremities. The pooling blood eventually causes pain, swelling, as well as other ailments like varicose veins. We were tired of achy legs, swollen feet, and super long recovery times. This is why we created Spring, a portable smart compression wrap that relieves muscle pain, improves circulation, and feels amazing. Oh, and did we mention it only takes 15 minutes? Spring uses a patented wave pattern to massage your calf muscle, flush out lactic acid, and push pooled blood back into circulation. This doesn't just benefit your calves. Targeted compression affects your whole body and even increases athletic, physical, and cognitive performance. Thanks to improved circulation, you will enjoy faster recovery time, enhanced performance, and less fatigue throughout your entire body. Spring is easy to use. Simply wrap, activate, and relax. 3 intensity settings and 2 compression patterns let you choose the intensity of your compression and method of recovery. No wires, no tubes, Spring is compact and portable, making it the perfect travel companion for long flights or road trips. Bring it with you wherever you go. Whether you just finished leg day, buckled in for a long flight, or spend the day on your feet, Spring is the perfect way to rest, recover, and reach a higher level of performance. Feel amazing anywhere. Back our campaign and be one of the first to experience the benefits of untethered active compression with Spring.
This is Good Morning San Diego.
He does, but he's actually behaving.
Push-ups, you know?
He's behaving.
Just never happens. All right, we'll be right back with the Muscle Man of Technology. He's going to make you healthy again. Okay.
Now, something really high tech, and this is a Kickstarter product. This is from Beat20. It's from Shanren US. And what's so remarkable about this is it's actually a medical grade ECG sensor, Carlos. So like for me, who had some heart issues last year, this will actually give you a readout, and it will store it in memory as well. Now remember, this is not just any type of like regular chest strap. This is giving you a medical grade ECG accurate heart rate right on here, where you can print it out, take it to your doctor, print it on your computer. So, and there's no wires, that you don't have to have any wires.
So does that attach to your phone?
No, what this does, yeah, it's an app that you download, and you're just going to wear this right around your chest.
Got it.
But this is really terrific for training. And the nice thing is you could actually set these up for vibration alerts, so that if you don't want to pass a certain amount of intensity with your heart, you could set that up in the app itself. But again, there's a Kickstarter program going on right now. You could save a lot of money. I think they're under $80. So it's a great deal. And again, that website you want to go to is shanren.us. So really good stuff there. V20.